Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 12, Leçon J. And in this lesson, we'll continue the series of videos that we've been starting, and the topic is les préfixes et les verbes, okay? So, and in this video, we'll concentrate on the verb passer. And here you have the translation in English. Okay, so the idea is that we've got this verb passer, and then it will be possible to add some letters, so that's what we call prefix, in front of passer, and by adding these letters, well, we'll change the meaning, the original meaning of the verb passer. Okay, so let's see how it goes. So the first thing, if we add this dé, okay, we will get the verb dépasser, dépasser, and here you have the meaning in English. Okay, well, then we could add this re in front of passer, so we get this repasser, and then here is the meaning in English, repasser. Okay, and it's also possible to add sur, okay, surpasser, surpasser, and here is the meaning in English. And that's it for this video. If you want more videos, then youtube.com/imagier, and then don't forget to like me on Facebook. The address is right here, and the website is waiting for you if you want more material, www.imagier.net. Have a great day. Bye bye.